Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way to crop an image in AutoCAD. So in the last video, we learned about how to annotate, how to show a railway line in AutoCAD plan. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to easiest and the fastest way to crop an image in AutoCAD. So first of all, we will attach image to AutoCAD. So just press on attach, wait for the window to open, and wherever you have saved your file, you press that and specify on screen. Press OK, and then you specify how big you want the image. So let's make it a little bit readable, which is like this. So basically, let's say this is your city map or your city plan, and you want a a square option or a smaller option of this one. Okay, so it is very simple to crop it. Just select it, write image clip, and press enter. After that, you have to select the option of new boundary, and then you have to select the new boundary from here. Let's say rectangular, and you do is make a rectangle on it and just leave it, and your image will be cropped. It is that simple. So let's say now you just want a small core part of the city. So let's say again, the command of image clip, IMAGECLIP, image clip, and then you have to select the image option, the image, then select option new boundary. Do you want delete the old boundary? Yes. So we just deleted and we have our older boundary back. So again, rectangular option, and just hover and make a rectangle around the parts that you want, and your image will be clipped. So this is how simple it